Right here. Right here.
Alfredo sauce donated
Right here.
2 Singapore
Y'all
dollars
ready?
super chat.
Watch this, chat. Watch
Can you
this.
wish Joyce happy birthday.
Joyce, happy birthday. Hey, Joyce, this for you right here. Ronaldo right here, baby. Joyce, this for you right here, Joyce. The fuck? Hey, Joyce. Hey, Joyce, this for you right here, Joyce. What the f... Here we go, 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 here we go. Nether... Let... Lang? Lang! What the hell is a lang? What the f... What is lang? Holland! Holland! Eli Unosi. Bro, Bro, what the fuck is going on, bro? What in the hell am I pulling, bro? Chad, what the hell am I pulling, bro? What in the hell am I pulling? Ireland. CB. Brentford. Mike Collins. Bro, yeah, alright, bro. Bro, give me Ronaldo, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They tripping, I'm not gonna lie, they tripping. America! That's my old middle school teacher! Mr. Harrison! He used to teach at Flower Middle School Elementary. No way that's him! Mr. Harrison! No way I just pulled my old elementary. Oh, bro, no way! I was my old middle school teacher. No! No! We not gonna speak on Messi cousin, chat. We not gonna speak on Messi cousin. Fernandez, hey look, Fernandez. Hey, man to man, I have no bad blood between me and you, but if you ever talk about my mama like how you talk about my mama back in 2011, bro, you might have to take it to the next level, bro. Fernandez, don't ever talk about my mama like that ever again in your life, alright, bro? And we cool, alright? So don't ever say some shit about my mama like that. That's all I gotta say. I'm not gonna say nothing else. Sadio Mane. Oh! You know! Bro, why is he so damn black? Chaz, this a glitch? What the f... Bro, is that a glitch in the game? Why is Sadio Mane so damn black? Why did FIFA make him so damn black like that? But Sadio Mane! The GOAT! Al Nassr! Bro, Chad, there's... Nah. Chad, Sadio Mane is not this black, bro. Or am I tripping, bro? He's not that black, bro. See, Chad, he's not that black. Why did the game make him look like fucking... Like, damn! What's up with this game, bruh? Holy! Give me Ronaldo. Mexico. Bro, why do I keep pulling Tom Holland looking ass people, bro? It's like, bro, anybody from Mexico look like Tom Holland for some reason. Like, that's like my second time. No way again. Again! Watch this, watch this. Bro, give me Ronaldo, dude. Why y'all playing me like this, bro? Please, man. Who is this? Nigga, Will. Who the fuck? Oh! Is that me? What the fuck? Nigga Williams. Is that fucking me? Is that me? What the fuck? Who does he look like? He look like somebody. Who does he look like? Is that K, like, bro, K, like, KSI or something? Who does he look like? He look like somebody. I'm trying to think. Juice WRLD? Yeah, Juice WRLD. He look like Juice WRLD on X. Like, he look like somebody. He look like, I don't know, bro. Like, he look like, I don't know who he looks like. He look like somebody. Sadio Mane again? Amar Trey! It's like he, bro. Just poured this guy. Literally, I literally just poured this guy. Give me Ronaldo, please, for the love of God. Haaland! 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 So instead of pulling Haaland, I poured Loft. Loft. Who the hell is this? Loft. He got a fucking number in his name. Who the hell is this? He has a goddamn number in his name with a dash in the middle. That's like that's not even like he got an alien name, bro. He got alien language and shit in his name. Like, how do you say that? Like, you cannot, like, no human being can pronounce that. What the hell, bro? Like, come on, bro. Just give me Ronaldo and let's call it a day, FIFA. Come on, bro. Stop doing this to me, bro. Let's go, baby. Turn up. Ireland. Mo Bamba? I got hoes calling your nigga phone. West Auckland. Ireland again. Bro, this is my last pack, bro. Please put somebody good. Please, God, give me Ronaldo. Please, God. Just give me somebody. Give me Ronaldo. Give me Ronaldo or give me, like, fucking Conte or something, bro. Please. Oh, my. Who the fuck? Why does he look like he look at dogs while they urinate? Why does he look so damn creepy? Who is this guy? Who the fuck? Oreo Romeo. What the fuck? Who the hell? No way I put him on Egg. An Egg? Is his name Egg? He's like Johnny Sins or... He's like Johnny Sins. Oh my God, no way that's all I pulled, bro. There we go, there we go, there we go. Poland. Robert! Robert! Who the f... Is that Robert Lewandowski Spadnight? Who the hell... Piat... Like, look, bro, once again, he has an alien name. He has an alien name. You see that little comma on the bottom of his A? Like, no human being can pronounce that. It's Piatek. Piatek. Like, this is not, he's not a human, bro. He's an alien. He has an alien name. Like, bro, like, I can't, bro. Like, yeah, that's it. Like, this is, like, absolutely insane. Like, there's no way, like, there's no new, like, there's no more packs. Like, you have to, like, come on, bro. Chat, is Ronaldo in these packs or no? Yes or no? Oh my God. Guess I gotta open this, bro. Oh, please, God. Please, God. Please, God. Please. Oh, let's go, bro. Like, look, they scamming me, bro. They scamming me, bro. Give, like, CR7, please. Chad, we gonna keep going till we're done. Yup. 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 Give me, yo, bro. I'm spending 5,000. Like, Chad, look at this. Ireland. Zaha. I just put somebody named Zaha. Like, what face is that? He's like, bro, he's like, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, yo, like, this shit is crazy, bro. Zaha. Or fucking Zaza. No. Like, bro, like, this shit is crazy, bro. Absolutely insane. Ireland again. No way, Zaza. Did I just... What's up with this? Bamba, Zaza, grata, rata, frita, grata, ralaba. Like, damn. Why do Ireland got this gaga, mababa, like, hurt? Like, it's like every Ireland person I pull, they got these bro, like, bro, like, in their names, bro. Like, bro, it's like all these bro. Damn, bro, come on. Watch this. La. La. Okay, Colin. He's a rare breed. Colin is a rare breed. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my God, bro. Fuck. Ireland. Left mid. Baba Zaza. I'm fucking done, bro. Fuck me, man. Ireland. See him. He's a frat testy. What kind of names are these? Like, just imagine, like, waking up for school and you all stand up and you be like, so, sir, what's your name? Frat testy. Like, do you know, like, bro, like, what, bro? Like, this shit is crazy, bro. Like, who in the stream named Frat Testy? Brazil! Neymar! that chat! Big W's in that chat! Woo! Yes, sir! Neymar Jr. And I just met him. 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 Come on, baby. Belgium. CB. 1988. Who the fuck is Van Hugh Dewson? What the fuck is going on, bro? Now back to this shit, bro. After we just pulled Neymar. Come on, baby. Turn me up. See chat. See chat, like chat. You see what they doing as soon as I... Yeah, bro, like... Yeah, you feel me, chat? Ooh, whoa. You feel me, chat? You feel... You feel what I'm saying, chat? You feel what I'm saying, chat?
EA Sports. It's in the game.
You feel what I'm saying, chat? Hey, cute cutie, you... Hey, cute cutie, é muito elevado. Filha, fora som. Fingi tudo por ela para que me ama. Joguem não em conversa. Você tem que mas joguem, me joguem Mandela. Scotland. Striker. Man United. Pookie? Like again, Pookie. What kind of name is that? Pookie. What kind of name is fucking Pookie? Bro, look, just imagine. This egghead ass man, like, just imagine you, Mr. Pook, like, bro. Pookie. What the hell? Denmark. Striker. FCN. Instigating! Chat, why y'all instigating? I ain't even say nothing bad. Oh my god, bro. Ireland. Come on, bruh. Give me Ronaldo. Belgium. CB. Give me Ronaldo. Holland. Or if I pull this fucking... I keep pull... Sadio Mane. Oh my god, bro. Give me Holland. I mean, Ronaldo. Bella? Imagine being a guy and your name is Bella. Imagine being a guy and your name is Bella. What the hell? Scotland! Oh my. Ronaldo! France! Mbappe! Mbappe! Who the fuck is... That ain't Mbappe! Durant? Who the f... Oh my. Oh, fuck this shit. How you get club points? So what is club points? Club points. How do you get these? Oh, you gotta trade a player. Chad, do we sacrifice Neymar for a chance to pull Ronaldo? Yes or no? Do we sacrifice Neymar to pull a Ronaldo? Chad, this is our only chance, y'all. This is our only chance. So I don't know why y'all saying no. This is our only chance. Do we sacrifice a Neymar to pull a Ronaldo? Chad, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big ass. Chad, I'm be honest, y'all. I'm a big Ronaldo fan. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Chad. I have to pull Ronaldo, bro. What are you? It's 8,000. Oh my fucking. You're lying. Say wallahi. Say wallahi. Oh God, Allah. What the? What the? What the? It's 8,000. Just oh my God. Oh my God, bruh! Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? I thought it was only a... Bobby! Blast. 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 Black ass. I'm done, bro. You Gartsy, like, yo, bro. I'm pulling every single body, but just look. Just... Man, God! Damn! Pulling Messi, son, and, bro. Turkey Maharaban! What the fuck is this name? Why does he have an alien name, bro? Like, bro, what is that name? Cool. Like, bro, like, these names are not regular, bro. Like, that's not even in the dictionary, bro. Scotland. Argentina. Holland! Holland! This fucking, bro, you are a dot, bro. You keep fucking with me, bro. Do you want to fight? Like, every time I'm thinking I'm about to pull Holland, I see a guy out of nowhere named Stork. Like, you must, like, you keep giving me the same stare. Like, you keep giving me the same stare. Like, yeah, bro, I'm still here. You're not pulling Holland. You're going to keep pulling me. Like, you must have a personal problem with me. Like, you keep popping up. Knowing, like, you, like, bro, like, I pulled you about 10 times today. Like, this guy must generally just have a problem with me. Like, generally, like, he's giving me the same, that dead look in his eye. Like, you must dead ass generally don't like me, bro. My God, bro. You know, feel me, chat? Feel me, chat?
EA
Let's
Sports.
refresh the app. Chat, you feel me, chat? Let's refresh the app. You feel me, chat? You feel me? Let's, like, you feel me? Let's refresh the app. Let's give it a little whiffity, woo. You feel what I'm saying, chat? Let's just refresh the app, chat. Let's try to refresh the app. Belgium. Telephone. You can't go wrong without pulling a telephone. Bro, not keep pulling this. Bro, it's the same people, dude. Belgium. Oh my God, bro, like. Ireland. What the fuck? Wrong pack? What do you mean wrong pack? What the hell are y'all talking about? What do you mean wrong pack? The hell are you talking about? This is the right pack. CR7 is in this pack. Like, bro, this ain't no wrong pack. I'm trying to pull a CR7. Oh, bro, I have too many players in my... How do you sell players in? Alright, now we should be cool now. Come on, bro. Give me freaking Ronaldo, bro. Like, shit's annoying, bro. Like, really? Argentina. I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. It's the same thing. I'm done, bro. Open. Like, what the fuck? I didn't pull Ronaldo. I didn't pull him, chat. I'm sorry. We didn't pull Ronaldo, y'all. Guys. Yup. See, look. Yup. Last chance pulling Ronaldo.